Here's 3 secrets that I've used to make sure my Airbnb listings are getting booked every single night. 1. Hire a professional photographer. After Airbnb's recent update, photography and most importantly, your hero picture are one of the most important parts of your listing. It's the first thing that any person sees when they're trying to book your property. So your first impression has to be the best. 2. Fix your listing description. You need to make sure your listing description is as detailed as possible. Is there AC? Is there a pool? Is there a hot tub? Is there a sauna? Is there a gym? You need to make sure every single amenity is checked off. List out every single thing your Airbnb has to offer. 3. I hate to say it, but lower your prices. Recently, there have been a lot more Airbnb hosts that have flooded the market, especially during slow season. Right now, where the majority of travelers are booking based on price, you have to be able to be competitive to make sure your listing gets booked compared to your neighbors. These are only one of the few tactics that I use that allow me to travel the world while building my Airbnb empire. If you want to start making $10K a month in the next 20 days, click the link in my bio and you can check out my Airbnb accelerator.